Planning a wedding can feel like stepping into a maze without a map. And one of the most confusing questions I get from couples is, do I need a planner or do I need a coordinator? Hi, I'm Heather, a certified planner and design consultant with over 13 years of experience in planning, coordinating, and designing weddings. I help couples navigate the planning process from yes to the final dance, and today I'm here to clear up one of the biggest questions I get from couples. What's the difference between a planner and a coordinator? And do I really need to have one? Here's the truth: both planners and coordinators are essential, but serve different purposes. Understanding the difference between a planner and a coordinator can prevent costly mistakes, double bookings, and last minute chaos. And the best part of all of this is knowing the difference lets you hire the right professional at the right time, tailored to your wedding investment and style. Let's start with the wedding planner. Consider your wedding planner your strategic partner who oversees your vision from the moment you say yes to the day you say I do. A few of the tasks that a planner typically does includes budget, advisement, and management. Now, this is where your planner will help you set a realistic budget and track it throughout the planning process. Another task is vendor selection, a planner who provides recommendations and reviews contracts with your trusted vendors. And one of my favorite tasks is design and theme development. Here, a planner ensures that your wedding aesthetic, color palette, and details are all cohesive. Now, keep in mind that not all planners include design services with their full service planning. If design is a service you're looking for, ask if this service is one that they provide or have recommendations for a designer. A second favorite task of mine is timeline creation. In this task, a planner will create a detailed planning and execution timeline. When your wedding involves multiple venues or complex design elements, a planner becomes an essential resource. Now let's talk about coordinators, sometimes called day of coordinators. A coordinator typically comes in the planning process anywhere from 2 to 4 months before the wedding. Sometimes I get inquiries from couples that say they only need me just for the day, and I completely understand, but leading up to the wedding, coordinators have numerous tasks that have to be completed to make sure your plans are executed smoothly. Hence the reason why we say 2 to 4 months and not 1 to 2 weeks. Some of the key responsibilities of a coordinator include timeline finalization and management, vendor confirmation and oversight, guest management, problem solving, and ceremony and reception coordination. Think of a coordinator as your behind the scenes superhero. We handle all of the unexpected issues quietly so you don't have to. Let me know in the comments below, would you rather have a planner guiding you from start to finish, a coordinator ensuring a flawless wedding day, or both? I love to hear your thoughts. Also, if you haven't done so already, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone planning a wedding. Coming up next, I'm going to discuss when you need a planner or coordinator, investment considerations, and final thoughts. So, how do you know which one to hire? Here's a quick guide. Hire a planner if you want hands-on help from the beginning, need budget guidance, design help, vendor recommendations, or you want a seamless full planning experience. Hire a coordinator if you plan most of the wedding yourself but want a professional to manage the execution on your wedding day. Depending on the service requested and your wedding location, wedding planners can range anywhere from 3,000 to 10,000 or more. Coordinators typically range anywhere from $800 to $2,500 or more. A coordinator is ideal for couples who have completed most of the planning themselves and where budget is a primary concern, while a planner is best for those seeking full comprehensive support. Hybrid packages are another option to consider. Some planners offer partial planning plus coordination as a hybrid option. If planning feels overwhelming, remember you don't have to do it alone. Our full service planning and coordination packages are designed to give you peace of mind from start to finish, or just to ensure your wedding day goes off without a hitch. We handle timelines, vendor management, design details, and everything in between so you can focus on celebrating your love and not checklist. Your wedding day should be beautiful and unforgettable, so let's make it seamless together. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone planning their wedding. And remember, the right support makes all the difference. Until next time, happy planning.